Hi guys, kain tayo ng ating tanghalian. So, ang ulam natin is yung ating caldereta. Yung niluto ko kagabi. Mas masarap ito guys kapag kinabukasan. Tapos meron tayo dito nilagang itlog. Kain na tayo. Magkakamay tayo ulit. Sarap magkamay eh. Ako ng dalawang itlog. Nilaga.
Get out.
Caldereta guys.
What is that?
Kaya try ko sa kanya tong sauce guys na gustuhan niya. Pakain tayo ng mangga ng ito. Sarap. Let's bite. Simot ubos guys. So guys, dito naman tayo sa ating foods. Kay set ang banana.
Hi guys.
This one for you.
Yep.
Ah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. This
But
one for mama.
I want it with rice.
Oh, later.
Oh, no, wait, what, not with nothing. Oh, wait, with this food.
Okay, after this, okay?
Just only take one bite.
Okay, one bite.
Look, I got.
Okay, later na rice, okay?
Okay, on your twin.
Mamaya daw siya. Gusto niya guys pag kumain ng saging, ikakain sa rice. So, kain muna ako ng manggang hinog. Nahugasan ko na ito guys ha. Ang tamis.
Mama, I want to eat something.
Later.
Can you buy me candy, Mama?
Mhm.
And chocolate. There's only 2 chocolate and 2 candy.
Okay, later.
I'm just waiting. That's why I put my food. What?
Iiwasan kong ano yung damit ko guys, baka mag-ano yung ano mangga.
Hi. Okay, Mama. Thank you.
Hindi ka bagtan.
Wow.
Ito yung nabili kong 4. So yung isang piraso nila ko din sa sushi. Tapos meron pa akong 2 doon. Pagdating ni Darlene. Bukas, kasi bukas uwi ng aking asawa. Finally, sa kalahating buwan, makakawin ulit.
Mama, this is just only, Mama, it's just only boy and grill. Boy and grill.
Ang tamis.
Mama, is that mango? It's my favorite.
You want?
Oh.
Dali.
Wait, why are you putting, that was supposed to be in my rice.
Ito na guys.
You promised to do not put nothing in my rice, okay?
Later after this. Tagulo na natin.
Mama, do not put nothing in my rice and do not put nothing in my rice. Just only banana and chop.
Later.
I'm going to get it out. I got it and I can eat it.
Okay.
This maze might be impossible, because my goal was to get the coin, so I tried to go under the maze, but got trapped, and the spikes of death started closing in. So my next idea was to
Nakalimutan ko ano yung kutsilyo para mas mabilis sana.
towards this mysterious red
Ang hirap pa rin magtanggal ng balat.
the apple, walls of hell started raining down on me, and I died. So what I tried next was to jump up here into this section. Soon I realized that the arrows were leading me in an endless loop of doom. So instead, I tried jumping off to the left, and as soon as I saw this,
Grabe,
I knew
nakakabusog.
I collected. But when I got it,
Busog na
the
ako.
sword spawned as my only way back up. So I hit it, and it killed me. So I made my way back up. But
Tingnan
this
natin itong balat.
time,
Yan, wala na siyang balat guys. Dilaw na dilaw.
decided to drop it and collect the this store, which traps you in a room and turns the background.
Tamis.
But if you look closely, you can see there's a way to escape. So I jumped through it, only to realize it leads you back to the beginning. So finally, I made my way all the way back up, and this time, instead of dropping down into the death pit, I jumped over the gap and went right. But when I saw this arrow pointing down, I knew something was suspicious. However, I decided to go anyway, which ended up being a mistake. So for my last, you can't call me.
Sarap.
Roblox, when I buy whatever the subscribers draw on the server, the first thing I want is the VIP in a
Kainin natin guys kasi ano, nakamahal ng mangga ngayon. Kasi nga hindi natag mangga.
I also want you to dress up as a brain rot and hide near one of them. Hell no, what is this guy even saying?
Kaya natin sa Edin.
Now I'm nice. I want everyone watching this to leave a like and subscribe. Oh, please do it. Finally, I want everyone to put emojis in the comments.
Simot ubos.
1 million comments. How many can we get? Roblox, when I buy whatever
So yun lang, guys.
subscribers draw on